Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Let me first give thanks and praise unto the heavenly King, because without the King, there is no me, the Prince. So, let me thank Him for His grace and His mercy each and every blessed day, that He watch over me and my children, dear children, my family and friends, and to all loved ones. And even the ones who don't believe in God, I pray for them too. Yeah, and I hope that I'm blessed them that one day we'll will make a change. Welcome to How Can I Help Speak on this channel. This is Murphy. Before I get into it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, okay? Your support is very, very much appreciated. If it's even the like and the share, appreciate it just the same. Alright? But I more appreciate it when you subscribe and click the notification bell and you know what's going on. Because this channel, like I said, it's like your home talking with your friends, or with your family and stuff, and have some good conversation. Basically, that's what we're all about over here. So, what we're going to talk about tonight, and as well, the world know by now, the heavy flooding that Jamaica is under right now. My homeland. It's very, very sad. I've seen rainfall when I was back home. I've heard of rainfall bad, but it seems like every time you hear about one get bad, there's a worse one that comes. Sad. Very, very sad. But tonight I'm going to use some help to do this video, because I ain't going to do much talking tonight. We're going to try to see if we can, come together and try to see if we can lend a shoulder and see if we can say a good word and comfort the people. And it's not only people in Jamaica, but you have people other countries that's going through some of the same things that happen someplace in Africa. It's not that bad here in Canada. Certain places have some flooding going on, sandbags and stuff. People are trying to protect what they can protect and do what they can do. But when we look at this that's going on, we know this is not man doing this. No, man can't do that. No way, no how. No man can do that. We know, say, this is part of life. Tragedy like these will happen because these things were spoken about long time before we were born, before we were in existence on the face of this earth, when the Most High walked and do what I'm supposed to do, what he was placed here to do. A lot of people don't like to hear when I talk about God, but I really don't make that bother me, because I know me and I know the life I live. You do you and I do me, but I still love you and pray for you just to see it. So let me get my head. Back in when the tragedy happened in the United States, 9/11, it's very, very bad. And there was a concert that kept, a big concert kept in the US. And it was a Jamaican that performed. It wasn't the only concert, but this concert was a powerful one, because it was a lot of healing for a lot of Jamaicans who live over there, for a lot of Americans who appreciate reggae music, who love Buju and stuff like that. It was Buju concert to do a lot of comfort a lot of people. So you see, with the tragedy that's going on down there, I'm going to play some Buju tonight, so we can, see if we can comfort some of our people and make them know, say, don't give up. We're here with you. Yeah. This is the best thing I can do at this time with all that's going on. I don't know what else to say because there's nothing I can say that can do anything about this. We don't know, say when God work, God work. And when He do His thing, He just give us time for sit back or really wherever you are. Take some time to really look at all the things that's going on in your life, in life. See all the things that man is trying to do to ruin this world. So I think God is just giving, put it this way, when you were a child, your parents used to give you a wash out to wash your system out. God is giving this world a washout. Yeah. Don't give up on people, stay strong. We have to go through tragedy in life. Sometimes we wonder why us, how much more we can bear. But like I said, this is not man-made. God know him do. You know what He's doing. But we can't do nothing more than feel sad, cry, and try to see if we can comfort each other, because that's all we can do. Like I said, this is not man-made. No man did this. No man turned on no pipe and flood the place. This is, natural. Some people may not want to hear this tonight, but that's the best I can do at this present time with all that's going on down there. Is just keep praying and just keep praying. We all have to go. We all have to go. But I would rather go like this, with this tragedy, than to have one come and take my life away from me. Believe that. See that mother sit on the fence in one of the videos that I got today. Sitting on the fence with a baby in her hand, and two sitting on the fence with her two other children sitting on the fence. It was 3, or maybe 4. I didn't get to see clearly, but I know I see one in her hand and so forth. But she hang on tight, like any mother would do. Hold on to that little one while the other two are there. Then you have the taxi man that was just, the taxi was just floating in the water. Literally floating in the water with all the people them inside of it. People screaming for them to come out. Come out, leave everything and just come out. People are getting mad. And you have the one that I saw, another one I saw in Africa where this SUV went right down. Just it like the hurt just opened up and it just went down and it just. Woo. Man can't do that, man. Man can't do that, people. Trust me. Man can't do that. Mm-mm. But we know where people gonna need some help. Who make it through this storm? They're gonna need help. So whatever we can do to help our people, we have to.
There was a great trembling.
We have to.
Earth shook. The mountain itself was moved by the presence of the Most High, who lives and reigns and rules. There's a sound in the air. I know the He that hath ears, let him hear.
Don't give up, Jamaica.
Oh, I rate the heart say, this day.
God is just giving us a wake-up call.
He that hath ears, let him hear. This day from our fathers, I rate the heart say. Yeah. Oh, Lord. Like John, I was taken away in Isaiah. I behold 7 angels, 7 golden chariots. Words which proceeded was like lightning. Oh, to the Eden it was so frightening. Well, bless man, woman, all things. And know thy works and charity and service, thy faith, thy patience, the best and the worst, and the last is more than the first. Behold, most I have prepared a place for rebellious, who choose not to observe his teachings as such. He that overcometh and keep thy covenant, will give dominion over the
Like I said, people,
These are the words of the Most High.
just trying to let you
This day was Most
see if you
High.
can understand what I'm saying. That I'm feeling everything that's going on down there. But this is my way of dealing with it. Because I can't deal with it no other way more than just take this time to look into myself and to focus on back home and how and what we can do after the storm. What we can do with what's left. So this video is just for people who feeling it the same way I'm feeling. Some people may not wanna, but like I said, this is how we do it over here, you know? My subscribers and my viewers, you make me feel like, you know, I'm not just talking to you in front of the camera, it's like you're right in front of me. I want to bless up all of you, man. Yeah.
hear what our father, the Irita, had said. Had said. Bless man, all things. The greatness of the Most High. Love will be bestowed. His loving kindness should always proceed and cover us like feathers of the dove. I stand the all the world will manifest in us. I do. Amen. 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 Amen.
Yes, people. Blessed be the Almighty God. Blessed be the Almighty God. People, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. How can I help speak on this? Click that little bell when it comes up on the right side there. Notify you every time a video comes up. Alright? So like I said, viewers and subscribers, keep Jamaica in your heart. Always. And always push forward to help make it better. Alright? But in times like this is when we need to come together and see what we can do to help out. Because this is natural thing. Alright? No man did this. Natural. Peace out. Murphishers and Murfettes. And to my favorite people, take that page out of Ninja Man book. God bless every time.